Welcome to week number 1, the foundations. In this video, we are going to cover how to offer Facebook services to your clients. So let's jump and start. So here's what we are going to cover. Number 1, why offer Facebook ads as a service? Number 2, what types of clients should you attract? Number 3, finding winning offers that works. And number 4, how to create ads on Facebook for your clients. So first is why offer Facebook ads as service. So basically, before starting this, we need to understand who is this module for. Number 1, any beginners who want to learn how to deliver Facebook ads as a service to clients. Number 2, if you are any existing digital agency owner who want to add Facebook ads as additional service to offer. So this is for you. So before this we know the old ways to get customers. Number 1, maybe television, newspapers and radio ads. So these are the old ways to get customers. Number 2, maybe banners ads, you are doing your pamphlets, and third is referrals. So in nutshell, most business lack a consistent and predictable and reliable system to attract new customers on a regular basis using mediums that meet the 21st century criteria. Actually, if you are doing your advertising by these ways, but you cannot measure, you cannot track your customers, who is looking your customer, who is reading your pamphlets, who is looking your banners. So you cannot measure, you cannot track them. So in this module, we are introducing Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And number 1, this is a perfect medium for 21st century. You know, it has 2.41 billion active monthly user. Yes, this is the most important part of Facebook advertising. It a huge audience is available there. Number 3, can be used by anyone without any extraordinary marketing budgets. Yes, you can start with 100 rupees, you can start with 1000 rupees. You don't need to spend lakhs of rupees on banners or pamphlets, ads and everything. Number 4, it allows you to target based on a variety of interest, demographic and behavior. According to your uses, according to your custom products, services, you can target your customers. Number 5, don't require you to be a super tech savvy. One can get started quickly. So now Facebook ads is the new way to help any business generate regular leads, inquiries for their business and eventually make a huge ROAS, that means return on ad spend. So how much can you charge for these services? The amount you can charge per customer depends on the total value your ads bring to their business. Unfortunately, this depends on case by case basis. However, below is a general estimation regarding how much you can charge. Number 1 is Western clients. If you are dealing with Western clients, these are the clients based in countries like USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and other developed English-speaking economics. So over here, you can demand anywhere between $750 or $3,000 per month for every clients that you serve. Number 2 is domestic clients. These are the clients located in India or any developing nation. So over here, you can demand anywhere between 15,000 to 16,000 per month for every clients. Please note, the figures stated above are averages and can be more or less depending on factors like experience level, clients revenue and profit margins, business type, specific location, etc. So we recommend that you start at a lower than your market's average price and then escalate to your way forward as you gain more expertise in your field. So how does the process work? First thing, first stage is acquire. So that means you will run a Facebook ads on Facebook. Then you will capture. Stage two is capture. So you will capture the name, mobile number, maybe if something, if you are uh, advertising a product. Okay, so you can make a payment and receive everything, details of customers. Third is stage third is transform. So you will give the details to the businesses, that means to clients. So this is the very simple process you can do here. Like we are doing a fine look salon services. So here we are providing customers a privilege membership to their clients. Okay, so we will capture the payments and information, and then we will this information will we will give to our clients. So this is a simple way you will follow in Facebook advertising. So basically, if you don't know about Facebook advertising and you are completely beginners, so you have to go to week number 4. There we will cover the Facebook advertising, how we can. So that means your skills will be enhanced there. In week number 4, you will get every knowledge of Facebook, how you run Facebook ads, everything. Okay. So right, question is, what type of clients should you attract? This is very important. Before signing a client, it is important to know about your clients very well. So rules for selecting clients. Rule number 1, they must have an established business. According to this principle, you must never sign clients who are beginners or just starting out. These businesses should already have a past history of customers. Rule number 2, they should sell services, products that don't take much convincing. That means you must only select businesses are selling things and that everyday people use. It is basically necessity and people don't need to be convinced a lot to buy these services. Rule number 3, customer LTV, that means lifetime value, should be above $10,000 or $500. So that means you should only target businesses where a customer ends up spending at least $10,000 or $500, whether in one time purchase or over a period of few times. For example, in a gym, if the membership is for every month is 3,000, so that means in a 4,000 is customer will spend 12,000. So here the lifetime value is about 10,000, and at least a customer in a gym will stay 3 months, 4 months. So rule number 4 is already present online. Target businesses that are present online already and matches one condition: have a website, Facebook page or any other social media account. Rule number 5, they are already running ads if possible. That means this includes businesses that are understand the importance of running ads in the form of traditional ads, banner ads, newspaper, pamphlets, or online ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and just that. So if they are doing the already some advertising, so they know about the result. So it will be very easy to convince them and to tell them how we can change their way to get consistent leads and anything. Rule number 6, they are already have a sales team, one person or whole team. According to this rule, you must not work with clients who don't have a process to convert leads into clients. They must be willing to call the leads and make the sale after you have done your job. For example, if you are working for a real estate agent and you are capturing the leads and giving the informations, so they must shoot the call and follow up with their clients, their customers, and should close them. Okay, so next is setting clients expectations. Most business owners fail to deliver 100% client satisfaction because they fail to set the right expectation before starting. So below are some principles you can follow. Number 1 is be 100% honest. You must not give your clients false promises regarding that what you can do and result they can expect. So by letting them know the true output that the clients will see after taking your services, you would ensure your clients is prepared for whatever is next. Number two, make it clear that they will have to do the sales call to get the results. So your job here is to deliver your clients with high quality leads. However, you must make it clear that it is the duty of their team to make the necessary sales and follow up calls. You can help them with this process using the learning from this course. However, this job must only be performed by them. So rule number three, ensure your clients has the right mindset. Remember, how at the start of this course and my training, I'll let people know who I am looking for and who I am not. So you must have the criteria to ensure you attract the right kinds of pupils. Don't sign the wrong people out of the desperation. So finding winning offers that works. Understanding your client's business. Your clients understand that their business better than anybody else. Therefore, it is our job to ask them the necessary questions so that we can learn about their target audience and offers. This information would be extremely beneficial when running ads. How do you do this? After you sign a client, it is recommended you book a call with them on the same day or later. During this call, you must ask them certain questions to understand their market and offers. Leverage the onboarding survey. We have created a survey that you can utilize while gathering such information. You can ask your clients these questions on the phone call or then manually fill the form. So this way the form would you have data of all your clients permanently stored. So let's see how we can fill this form. So like this one, this is the cautionary form, and yeah. So this is the Facebook marketing services. We are a cautionary form, so we can ask about their business, their need, their name, everything. So let's start. First is what's your name? So we can ask the name, as we know. Maybe we have already know. Okay, so start with what's your full name. Then come to briefly describe what your company does. Suppose I sell digital marketing courses. Okay, and I'm right now I'm digital consulting services providing. So this is the my business does. The question is the biggest result I can help a business or person achieve is, like suppose me to help start a digital agency. I'm helping to my clients or my customers. The question is what the price of your products and services. I'm charging 50,000. So this is the price of my product and services. And describe the favorite clients you have ever had and that you want more of: age, genders, interest, behaviors. So we can ask with to our clients what is the best customers they have already get now. So we can write down here there. What is the biggest problems you must ideal clients has? Describe in rich detail financial, emotional pains. So we can ask this question and we can fill the information here. The next question is what is the biggest mistake your perfect client is making right now related to problem you solve? Suppose they are not getting consistently leads or they are not capturing the informations. So you can help them by capturing leads, by capturing by getting consistent quality leads. The question is what offers you have promoted in the past that work resulted in sales. Suppose they are already running some offers and some advertising. So you can ask them and what was the result of that advertising. The next is what offers have promoted that did not result in sales. Because this is very important question here. If you are also planning to do some some advertising for them, and if they are you will do the same things, so you will get another, you will not get the result. So this is important. You can ask with your clients these questions. And the next is name and the link your four most important competitors. So that means you can ask their who's their competitors, and where are their where is their competitors, and how we can target them. So because it will help also to describe to make a advertising, because we can Google it, and we can see the how they are running Facebook ads. So explain in rich detail what exactly you are offering to your customers. Information about the product and services, you can ask them. And what are the key goals that you would like us to accomplish for you? You can ask these questions. And the last, not the least, have you given us access to necessary resources we stated in the email? So you will send an email about what you need to do their Facebook ad services, and then can submit. So in this information will be permanently will be available for you, and you can see here, and you can make it, your Facebook advertising according to the details you have filled. So let's jump again. So how to gain more insights by spying on your clients' competitors? Actually, here we can ask about their competitors, who are their competitors, and how they are facing the problems with their competitors, and we can leverage here. Actually, okay, let's see some Google here. I open Google, and then I suppose how we can do these things. Google it now. Suppose I'm looking for dentist nearby me. Okay. So nearby dentist, the result will be there, and you will see here this is the Google ads, and this is the Google ads. So we are looking here. Suppose I open this one, and here is the details we can fill there, and they will capture the information about, and they will call back us. So I fill here information ABC. Okay, ABC, and the number is this one, and the mail ID, okay, abc.gmail.com, and then I fill the captcha, and then I submit this information. Okay, it will redirect us to our thank you page. So this is the funnel. They will capture the information, and then they will call back us, maybe. Yeah, after submitting, they will call us. So this is our clients. We can see the who's if you are providing services to our dentist, so we can Google it everything here. We can see how competitors are doing their Facebook advertising and advertising on Google or anything. Okay, so suppose I open its Facebook page. So this is the Facebook page of these clients, and they are Cloud Dentals. They are providing this is a Facebook page, and we can see here how they are running Facebook ads. So let's jump on Facebook/ads library here. Okay, so open this link, and we will insert the information like dental. Okay, dental glove. Yes, this is the dental glove. So you will see here 24 results. That means they are running a huge campaign. Okay, see here. Oh yeah, active campaign. They are actively campaign. This is the close missing teeth ads. So see, if I open this one, book now, or if I see open this advertising, it will redirect some page. Yeah, this is the page here. This is their like funnel page, and claw your teeth, a quick fix or permanent solution for missing teeth. So get world-class dental implants at exclusive prices. So if I submit I click on this link, it will open. Okay, so we can capture the information. We will get the information how the competitors are doing their works, their advertising, everything. So this is a very simple way to get the information about competitors. Okay, so next is how to create ads on Facebook for your clients. So this is for this you have to jump on week number 5, week number 4. We in week number 4 we will capture everything about Facebook services, and how to we can run Facebook ads, and we can make Facebook services. Okay, so this is the complete lecture in this. How we are providing Facebook service to our clients. And next is what we did cover today. So we offer Facebook ads as service, and second, what types of clients should you attract, and third is finding winning offers that works, and the fourth is how to create ads on Facebook for your clients. And here is your action list for today. So if you have already some clients and want to do Facebook advertising for them, so just spy on your clients' competitors and come up with 3 or 4 interesting ads. What can you learn from them? Second is learn Facebook ads by going to week number 4 if you don't already know how to. Once done, come back to the week number 1 and begin the next lecture after this. Okay, see you in next lecture. Bye bye.